What we have found on Aliexpress today. For around $16 you can get this gadget. And also it comes in red color. Okay? And what it says in the title? What is it? It's a car battery charger, 12 volts, 6 amperes, intelligent fast charging, pulse repair, type full auto, stop dual mode, lead acid battery, or you can choose for motorcycle or truck. And this one cost, also the price is around $16 to $20, depend on which model you're gonna choose. There is a 6 amperes and 10 amperes, and I have ordered 6 amperes, 12 volts, and I got it. Does it come with bubbles? No. What it says? 12 volt intelligent pulse repair charger that you can use it for car, for motorcycles. What is this? Jet ski, a mini tractor, LCD screen, voltage detection, pulse repair, temperature detection, short circuit protection. What it says here? It's working input voltage AC 110 to 230 volts, 50-60 Hz, output current DC 6 ampere maximum, scope of application 12 volts, and you can charge batteries from 2 amperes to 100 amperes, lead acid battery, lithium battery disabled. How can they write this? Lithium battery disabled. It's yellow. The plastic, I can feel it that is pretty cheap. Never mind, but it's heavy. There must be electronics inside. But I can't see screws. Maybe they're under the sticker. I don't know. Alright. We have only one button at the front, so you can select which mode you want, and the LCD screen and 2 alligator, positive and negative. Before I proceed with testing this new gadget that I got from Aliexpress, I need to give a shout out to my latest coffee supporters. And what is coffee? A page. It's a page where you can support my work and support my channel with 1 coffee or more. You can do it one time, or you can be a monthly supporter. Here it is, JJG, which is a monthly supporter. He sent me a coffee every month. Thank you, sir, for that. A supporter yesterday sent me a coffee. Thank you. King Green sent me 3 coffees every month. Thank you, sir, for doing that. Dave Evans is one of the first supporters of the channels. Thank you, sir. He's a monthly supporter. Here it is, the W7PJH. Thank you, sir, for supporting my channel. Scott Adams, John Tenoy, coffee supporter, one more. Please write your name so I can read it in the shout out. If you want to support my channel, I will put a link in the description below so you can check it. Now let's proceed with testing the newest gadget that I got from Aliexpress, which is 12 volt, what it says, intelligent pulse repair charger. I saw that from this side it have a fan, so the electronics will be cooled down, which is nice feature that have a fan. Okay, I'm gonna turn on in 3, 2, 1. Nothing happens. Oh, here it is. What it says, 13.8 volts. Also it shows the temperature. Let's press mode. Oh, with each press of the button you can choose for car or truck. This is gel batteries, motorcycle, or pulse repair. This thing can repair your dead batteries maybe. Let's go choose to car or truck. If I hold, if you hold it, the button, nothing happens. I need to admit something. I have never have a car charger. Believe me, from always I have charged my batteries from my scooter, from my car battery with my power supply. I have set the voltage and set the current and leave it to charge. But for around $16 you can get this kind of intelligent pulse repair charger. And now I'm gonna test it on my 12 volt, how much is it, 20 ampere battery. Oh, before I plug in the alligator clips on the battery, I need to try this. I'm gonna make a short. Nothing happens. Weird. Okay, this one go on negative, this one go on positive. And I can hear that the fan start to work. And what it says, that the temperature inside this charger is 22 degrees. It pulls, come on, 14.8 volts is giving, and it says 1.9 amperes. It charged the battery with almost 2 amperes. Can you hear it that the fan is working, which is nice to cool down the electronics and the MOSFETs. And while charging, if I press the mode button, whoa, you can change it. All pulse. Oh, it says that it's in recovery mode now, but I'm gonna leave it to car charging. Let me grab the multimeter and take a look what it says on the charger. Full. The charging has stopped, and on my multimeter you can see that it's showing 13.9 volts of the battery. I'm gonna unplug the red clip, and again I'm gonna, and yes, it starts and almost instantly goes off because it's fully charged. And let's go to pulse repair, and what? Yes, can you see that? 14.7, 14.1, 14.7, 14.1. It's pulsing, and this way is a recovery mode of the battery. If your battery is damaged, with this thing you can repair it and save some bucks. Let me switch to oscilloscope so we can monitor the frequency. And yes, on my oscilloscope I can see that the charger is really pulsing some kind of frequency to repair the battery. Oh, and I think that it's a fake one, but take a look, it's pulsing some kind of frequency to the battery. And take a look, my multimeter with 3-in-1 ZOYI oscilloscope read frequency from 10 Hz to 500 kHz, 5 Hz, 10 Hz, 13 Hz. At the voltage peak to peak it's around 400-700 millivolts. So I can trigger the charger to see will it give 6 amperes. I will attach a car bulb right here. Let's see, 14 volts. Take a look, 6.2 amperes. Oh, it's doing a great job, this charger. And in gel battery, how much current it will give? 13.8 volts, 5.6 amperes. Motorcycle, 13.3 volts, 3.16 amperes. And let's go to pulse, recovery, and I remove the car bulb, and now the battery is charged with 2.1 ampere. Nice. Now I'm gonna try to open it. Wow. Oh, first you need to remove this yellow part, and then you're gonna see the screws. Wow. On the one part we have the button together with the screen connected with the main board through this flat cable. Also the fan is controller to the main board. We have a bridge rectifier at the beginning to convert from AC to DC. Go to the converter. Here it is, the MOSFET, the voltage regulator, and it looks nice. It's not like a very cheap charger, which is pretty good. Alright, let's assemble everything back. Alright, let's try it again. Yes. And take a look now how I will trick the charger to give a charging voltage, because the car bulb is attached on alligator clips, but it's not turned on because it's not detecting any kind of voltage. But using my other power supply, I'm gonna trigger the charger to give a voltage. Take a look. Ah, super bright. And it says that it's giving 6.2 amperes, 25 degrees inside the charger, 13.8 volts. That means that this charger is really giving 6 amperes of... Whoa, it's smoke! Oh, what? Oh, the plastic from the alligator clip was very close to the bulb because it's super hot. Never mind. This charger is doing a great job, and for the money it's worth it because it's delivering the 6 amperes. Beautiful. The link will be in description below so you can check it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Oh, I figure out also. Take a look. When I trigger with my power supply and it's set on pulse, the light bulb, the car light bulb is pulsing also. And that is another proven way that really this charger pulse so can repair the battery. Nice.